welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be doing a nail DIY video. You see, I painted my nails, but at Walmart, it's at Walmart in any country, but right now I'm in Kentucky, and I have this ImExpress gel manicure nails. It's like sky blue with like gold and stuff. So let's get started. It's putting on. Okay. Okay. Oh, it's a peel. Here's your thumb and peel off that, and then apply it to your thumb. But I'm not gonna do it because I already got my nails on and stuff. Because I already put some in. You gotta squeeze it. It's not the biggest. So I'm not. That's already out. But I don't want to put any on. Like that. But I'm saying you can paint them if you get one. I would buy as most. I'm not telling you to buy nails like this. You can do whatever with nails you want. You can do it with your nails. You can do it with nails that, like my kind of nails. And you can buy nails, but no. But I'm gonna put that. And people has been asking, commenting, how do you make crowns? Well, I don't know about that, but I saw a video about doing that. So, let me get the stuff you need to do that. Well, you need, you need this. That's, you need crowns, you need a pot full of, this much of hot water, and, a little container, and chop, crowns, and chop 2 pieces, put it in there, and then, let it melt. But before you chop the crowns and put the crowns in the little container, which you have to put the little container in the pot and turn the pot on 60 and turn the pot on 60. Put this 1 inch of water in it and put a little container in there and put some coconut oil in it. And then chop up the crowns, put it in there, let it melt, and then put it in another container, a soda lid or something, a bottled water lid, anything, and then put it in the freezer for, the freezer for 40 seconds. 2 minutes, not 40 seconds, 2 minutes. And after that, take it out and try it on your lips. That's all I gotta say. Bye. Comment down below, subscribe, and like this video.